Hi guys, my background's a little different today. All the fall things like here and here are gone. So I've already began the filming of removing fall, and we're gonna be introducing Christmas into my home, and I'm gonna be sharing that with you guys. It starts next week, it starts Tuesday, and I'm very excited. So I got all my bins down, and on top of that, y'all know that my word of the year is organization. So as I was actually putting up all my fall stuff, this is random. This intro has nothing to do with my Dollar Tree haul, but as I was putting up all my fall stuff, I was going back through things, and I have two massive boxes that I've already scheduled a donation pickup. So I have really thoroughly enjoyed the decluttering and just letting myself get rid of things that I've held on for far too long. But anyways, so I went to Dollar Tree. This is actually on the smaller side. I had to get a couple of things again that I was on my list because I want to use them for gift giving. And I found some new things while I was there. So let me show you guys what I got. Here's my receipt, but is this? Oh no, I think I split this haul up. I think I showed you guys half of it the other day, and then this is like the other half. Yeah, because this is the receipt where I had that plug-in warmer. Yep. So this is the other half of that same store. So I really did hit a jackpot. So in total, between that haul and this one, I spent $132.50. But that would not be 132 items like it would have been a couple years ago, but that's neither here nor there. So anyways, it was just a really good haul. And also I got some like things, like I got a lot of my pom-pom trim, which you guys saw last time. So, you know, and then like, look, I got a bunch of my little sandwich bags, but I noticed the labeling is different on this one. So I got 4 packs of these. It's still 30 count, but back in the day when it was $1, and even before, like, it used to be 40, and then they switched it to 30 when it was $1, and then it still remained 30 as it's been $1.25. So, but I noticed the packaging is different. There's that price tag built into the packaging, which whatever, don't need this one because you just unravel it, but I love these little lunch bags. Oh, I only got 3. Why did I think I got 4? So I got 3 of these. I'm gonna link some videos down below if you want to do my little Dollar Tree advent calendar using their little bags, because it's my favorite. I think I might be redoing some of my advent calendar bags this year. Hopefully I can find them. I don't know which box it's in since I've moved. Yeah, look, here's even more pom-pom trim. Like, I guess I didn't split these out. Like when I was splitting the last video to this video, I guess I didn't split very well because I showed y'all a bunch of pom-poms before, but there's that. They also have green ones. Micah picked up these little socks. This was this trip where she actually went with me. She got that hair clip that I showed you guys. She picked up these little socks because she wants to convert our little nephew into a Spider-Man fan. She just loves Spider-Man, and these are incredibly soft. So super cute. So I'm gonna go give those to her because I guess she'll put like together a little package for him. I got some tape just out of convenience. I wouldn't recommend getting tape at Dollar Tree per se, like this, for wrapping gifts because you don't get much yardage. I feel like my hair is falling out today. And honestly, we're just gonna make today's video like ultra casual. So just talk amongst friends kind of day, you know? Sometimes I just love getting down to business, and sometimes I just like to chat about like nothing. Okay, where am I at? So yeah, the pom-poms. I found another mask. I found one, I think I was in Denver. If you didn't watch my Denver, Colorado haul, go check it out. It was such a good like jackpot find. So I found the Do Not Disturb in the pink. Look how cute, but why? Anyways, I love that. Great stocking stuffer. Then I found a lot of their holiday candies. They've been doing such a good job with holiday candy, especially in the last, I want to say like 3 years. And even before, you could tell they were building and it was getting so good. but now especially, it's like top tier in my opinion. This is the, I didn't know that Tootsie owned dots, but okay. So these are your festive holiday flavors. You get cherry and green apple. So I guess the ones with the red tops are cherry and green apple, and then the green tops with red bottom is lime and strawberry. I wouldn't have thought that. I would have thought they were like all the same flavor. This is absolutely adorable. Look at the back. I'm gonna eat these and I'm gonna use the box for junk journaling, but you probably already knew that. You already knew that. Then I found some new tissue that like stuck out to me. I was like, I've never seen this before. This is lavender scented. So ultra soft, it's scented. You get 74 count, it's 2-ply. I have no idea who this Smart Care brand is, but look. Like, yeah, it's like lavender scented. It really is. I can smell that. Hang on, oh, they made this interesting. How do I pull this out? It is soft. I wouldn't say it's like, you know, Kleenex brand aloe soft, but it's pretty close. I will say that. And it is true lavender. I don't know. What do you guys think about scented tissue? I don't know if I want to like do all that, but I think from a guest bathroom perspective, I actually really like this. And especially, you know, if you have like a cover for your tissue, then you just, you know, you can cover this up, you put it in your cover, and then you just have the tissue sticking out and it smells like lavender. I do really like that concept for like a guest bedroom. I think that's lovely. But if I'm sick, I don't see myself wanting to pull for this. Now, you know, if it's just like staged in my office or in a bathroom or somewhere, that's one thing. But if I'm like down and out in my bed, I don't want lavender. So that's just me personally. Okay, then I picked up this window decoration. I love the bakery theme. Look, little iced cookie. What does that say? Holidays are what you bake them. That's cute. Holidays are what you make them, bake them. So you got more, oh, that little star fell, but it was like in there. And look how cute that is. I love to junk journal with these. Yeah, you use a little bit of glue stick and they will adhere to paper incredibly well. So I had to get one of those. Then I wanted to get the crossword books again. Definitely want to give one to my grandmother. And then we have this one. I guess I got 2 of these. I don't remember grabbing 2 of them, but I got 2 of them. So I really liked those finds. They're just like word searches, but like Christmas edition. Like, look how cute that cover is. Actually, I don't think I showed you guys, but I've bought this like, have I not shown these? I showed one version of it, but this cover specifically, I think is new, and I found it at this one Dollar Tree. So I really liked the cover print there. And again, yeah, it's like all Christmas. So like this one's Family Feast 2, and then you find all the themes for that. And then you have this theme, which is ice fishing, super cute. Christmas cookies. I love a good themed like puzzle book. So, and the same thing is gonna happen here. In the kitchen, Christmas party 4, just desserts, visiting the family. Now, why the hell is the search list for visiting the family back road, gear, gravel? What? How does gravel have anything to do with visiting the family? I would call this more like the drive up. I don't know that I would have thought that. Entrance ramp? Hold on, let me look at it. Fun in the snow. Flurries, play, rink, fort, hockey, scarf, sledding. Okay, that's much better. Visiting the family, I don't know if they nailed that one. Then I found some new stickers. Where are the rest of them? Here they are. Look how cute this set looks, and you can tell they all belong together. They have just like this print inside the stickers that just all look like it is a release. I think there's a 4th option, and I didn't grab it. So here's a little nautical version. I love that he has the little captain's hat on. I thought that was really cute. You guys know I love dinosaurs, but these have patterns on them. Like one of them has flowers. And I just watched for the very first time Jurassic Park, like the original. I've never seen it. I never really cared for it. It was actually not bad. It was not bad at all. And then we have this one. So anyways, I thought those were super cute. I found some new items in the tool bench, actually this is Driver's Choice. This brand has been at Dollar Tree for a really long time. These are shop towels. This is definitely a new release. I've never seen Dollar Tree put out shop towels before. You get 5 in here. They're reusable. You can use it wet or dry, and it's super absorbent. You machine wash in cold water, blah, blah. But yeah, I just thought I could definitely add this to like my little closet where I have all my tools and such. You never know. And then I found this, the Handy Chamois. What? Love that. It holds 5 times its weight in liquid, which is really awesome. So if like you're washing your own car, this would be cool. I think this will be like a really great little stocking stuffer. You know, you can like roll it up like this if you want to keep this part or take it out, whatever. Like I think it could fit in a stocking. You always use it damp, so keep that in mind. You wash warm, no fabric softener, and you do not put it in the dryer and you do not iron it. Just FYI. So anyhow, I found that guy. Then I found more of the little warming and ice or whatever. Yeah, warming and cooling little deal. I really love these masks. I think they're super cute. So I got those. Then I found this, which left me speechless because they sell both of these separately at Dollar Tree and now you can get it as a combination. So I really liked that. You can see the $1.25 tag. This is the Home Bright stain remover on the go. So you get the stick and then you get the wipes. The wipes, I've definitely seen them sell separately, but obviously you get more in that box. Whereas in here, you just get 4 wipes. Yeah, but this package is definitely new. So there's that to consider. And then, oh, I didn't realize I went to town on these, but so I got those. And I was on the hunt for more coloring books because I heard, you know, through the grapevine that they were putting out a lot of different Christmas coloring books, holiday coloring books. So I found this one. It's called Magical Christmas. I've never seen this one before. Look how cute that cover is. And of course it's gonna be like activities and coloring mix. It's so fun. Even if you don't have any kids, color, it's so soothing. I promise you it is. Then I found a bunch of Grinch. And I just hauled the blue one. I have the one with the blue cover you guys saw in a previous video, so I didn't pick that one up again. But in this particular store, I found all 3 of these and I lost my mind. I love this so much. So I love the Grinch movie. I actually don't watch this version that much. I watch Jim Carrey's version, but then I also watch the other one. The other little cartoony one. I forget what it's called. The one with Pharrell, what's his name? I don't remember, but am I getting that right? Look how cute that is. Look at these. I'm definitely gonna cut these out and junk journal with those. You can turn them into ornaments, I believe is the purpose of them. But I was super excited for that find. And then this particular store had a ton of these. I just grabbed one more. I was like, your word of the year's organization, chill. So I did only grab one more. I just thought this bag was incredibly special and I wanted to be able to craft with one. And then I can kind of just like have the other 2. So this is the one I'm gonna craft with, and then the other 2 I'll just like save throughout the years and reuse them over and over in Christmas time in the house. But I wish you could just see this in person because it really is different. Like the camera really doesn't do it quite justice unless you're holding it in your hands. But it is such a cute bag and it left me speechless when I first hauled it. And then I bought, oh, I also found more of these. These have been some of my favorites. They are so cute and fun. I've put these on like several times at night. So I really like those. And then I scored on some more gift tags. And then what I think is like the best find of all, Home Bright again. This is the same brand that I just showed y'all did the little, this. Same brand. And I found this, so it's, the packaging is definitely giving organic. I'm not saying that's the case, but they're doing that. You know, you definitely need to check out the ingredients. Why is the price tag built in? That is, I know y'all are watching me lose my mind. You really are. Straight on camera, live, like, I do not understand this for the life of me. It's bothering me so incredibly bad. So it's dish detergent. This is lavender lilac, and this is citrus mist. What? And the packaging, plant-based. Oh, so it's plant-based, dye-free, phthalate-free, cuts tough grease. It has aloe vera as an ingredient. But yeah, so those are definitely brand new. I would definitely scoop these up and try them to see if you like them. Okay, definitely lavender. Whoa. Luxury lavender. This is such a good lavender smell. I do not like florals at all, but I love this. I don't know what they put in this, but this is so good. Yeah. I love that. Then we have citrus mist. Let's see. Citrus is the one I would go for myself. Lovely. Do I want to say that there's a hint of like cheap, like this like weird cheap smell? I can't quite tell if I'm being honest. Like I'm liking what I'm smelling, but is there an undertone? I don't know. You need to smell this one for yourself. Oddly enough, this one's my favorite of the two. Definitely citrus. Definitely gives off citrus, and the scent is nice and strong, but I don't think it's like overpowering or annoying in any way, but it's there. So I really like that. And that's it. Here's Loki. What's he doing? He's being a good boy. Yeah. You wanna say hi? Wanna say hi, everyone? Come say hi. Oh, goodness. Oh, I know it. Say, oh, you're finally getting to see his face. Look at him. I wish y'all could just, squeeze him. What you doing? What's wrong with your ears? What's wrong with you? You being a good boy? Yeah? You wanna go for a walk? Okay, and I guess that's where the video ends.